The Courtyard Creations Gazebo 3-person swing was sold at Walmart. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your swing, please refer to the manufacturer model number RUS473C. The model number should be located on a tag on the original cushions or instruction manual. A few key identifiers for this swing are: it is a 3-person swing, gazebo-style frame structure, triangular shape at sides of swing frame, canopy has a scalloped hem, original canopy color is a dark gray. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Courtyard Creations swing. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.